Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make iPhone speak caller's name. So if you have an income calls on your iPhone and you want your iPhone to announce the name of the caller, then this is a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you get to apps, click on it. Now you want to scroll down apps until you get to phone, which is the phone app. Click on that. Under phone app, locate and click on announce calls. Click on that. Then you have a few options available here: always, headphones and car, headphones only, and never. Now, to make your iPhone announce or speak caller's name, always just set this to always. So whenever you have an incoming call on your iPhone is going to call the caller's name or announces the caller's name. If you want to use this only when your iPhone is connected to your headphones, set this to iPhone only. And if you want to use this with iPhone and car, set this to iPhone and car, and then you are good. So whichever one you choose here is going to work accordingly. So that is exactly how to make iPhone speak caller name. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.